This is an overview of the Alteryx platform showing a quick example of loading data and doing a preparation analysis. If you'd like to follow along, go to Help, Sample Workflows, Tutorials, and click on Preparing Data. At the top, you have the tools for building a workflow. They are grouped together by their functions, and in the Favorites group, you have the tools that are most typically used. So first we will click on Input Data. Here you see a short description of what the tool does. So we'll click and hold Input Data and we will drag it onto the canvas. Canvas is what we use to build processes. So as you can see, the configuration window changed. This is where you set up the configuration of each tool that you will be using. You will click on the drop-down arrow, go to File, Browse, and in your sample data, you will open the address data file. In the preview pane, you will see the first 100 records, and we would like to look at all the data, so we will go to Browse. We'll click and hold Browse and drag it onto the canvas, connecting to Input Data. Browse will display all the records and will show what has been processed. Initially, you see a blank because you must execute the process by clicking the Run Workflow button. You will see the progress in the result window. Here we loaded all the records and we are viewing 1,491 records. But now we are going to prepare data. You'll go to the Preparation Tools tab. Here you will click on Select, hold it and drag it down onto the connection line between Input Data and the Browse tool. Here you have the options to change the data type, rename fields, and reposition them. So we will be removing the score field. We will also rename ADRR to address. And we also want to move the CO name to the top. Now that the data is prepped, we will execute by clicking on the Run button, and then we will click Browse to see the changes that we have made.